This is a HUAWEI MatePad Paper, and today I'm going to demonstrate that you can set the screen timeout value to never on this device. So to begin with, open any browser app that you have on your device. Should it be like the Huawei browser or Opera, Chrome if you have installed any third-party apps. Then in whatever browser you chose, go for the google.com website, or simply saying open the Google search engine. Already I didn't enter the URL correctly, but that's whatever. At the search bar, type in Caffeine APK. That's the name of the app that we will need to get in order to prevent the display of this device from going to sleep. So I would assume that this would lead us to yep, here it is. So that's the app that we're looking for. So its precise name is Caffeine-Keep the Screen On. The developer's name is Acarin, or Acarin, however you spell it. Then tap at the download or get APK button. Skip the ad. In here, tap at the download to the app's right. At the app's body, actually, not to this. It's not restricted to this icon. Then confirm the download by tapping at this pop-up window you have at the bottom of the screen. Now we can enter the downloads list of our browser and wait for the Caffeine app to get downloaded already. So for some reason it did not. So I'll repeat the process all over again. I'll tap over here, then choose the download option. Okay, now the app was actually downloaded to the list. And basically, once the Caffeine installation file gets downloaded, it usually automatically opens this page that you can just install it from here. If that's not true in your particular case, just open the list of downloads of any particular browser that you use and open the file from there manually. Then tap at the install button, wait for it to be installed, and now we can simply launch the app. And all that it's left to do is to make sure that the timeout section was set to be infinite, or has been set to infinite value. And as long as the Caffeine app stays active in the background, so make sure not to close it, your screen will not go to sleep automatically at all, no matter for how much time it will be in an idle status. Alrighty, so that will be it for today. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.